Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Yeah, me. This is a third generation GMC Yukon. That would be from 2007 to 2014. I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes. So, tune up. Let's get it. What you're gonna do before touch anything, come over here to the engine bay, locate the brake fluid reservoir, which is this, remove the cap, right? And this one's gonna tell you what type of fluid it needs. It says .3, right? Right here you see the mark, minimum level, max level, right? This is what we got. Rotor, it's a head stork. We're gonna use the T30 for that. 18mm socket. No, this is 19. This one is 18. Going to push the pistons back like so. You would do this if you don't have the brake tools. All right. Like so. Pretty much. That should do it. $19mm. Remove the caliper. All right. Brake pads. Yep. What you think about that? Put in the comment box. Could I go another 1,000 miles? Put in the comment box. Let me know. Tell me about your experience. These are 18. gonna brush this. Way better. Make sure this go in and out. If it doesn't, remove it, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. We're gonna re-grease this for the brake pads. Remove the rotor. T30. Whack-a-mole. Look like a Saturn. New rotor. Make sure the hole align with the one over here. Put this guy back. Mount the bracket. Tied it really good. Mount new pads. Like so. The one inside has this clip. Mounted the same way. Some silicone. On the outer plates. Mount the caliper.
What's your name, buddy?
Bolts back, 19 millimeter. Tight it. That's it. Brake pads parts made by brake rotor made by part number Now mount the tires. Now here, step on the brake pedal. First one is gonna be soft. Then it's gonna start to get harder. Now it's hard. We're going back to the brake fluid reservoir. Check the level. If you don't see it, shake it. It's right there by the max level. You don't need to top it off. Put the cap back. That's it. Road tested. If you need a fluid, it will say that 3 like this. All right, guys, and that'll be it. Shout outs to all my supporters. Thank you for the love. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo, clacking out.